This tiny aromatic spice bud can really do magic for you. Most of us have cloves sitting in our kitchen cabinets, but what would happen if you ate just 2 of them every single day for a full week? The results might honestly surprise you. Beyond their strong and warm flavor, cloves are loaded with powerful medicinal oils and antioxidants that most people never even think about. And in just 7 days, these little buds can start transforming your health from the inside out. But along with all those benefits, there are some important safety warnings you need to know. So here's what actually happens when you eat cloves every day, and you'll also learn specific recipes you can use as natural remedies for different health problems. Before anything else, it helps to understand what makes cloves so powerful. The secret comes from one main compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a natural essential oil with strong antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. But it offers even more than that. Cloves are also a great source of vitamin K, manganese, fiber, and antioxidants. Because of this combination, cloves can support healthy digestion, help kill harmful bacteria, improve blood circulation, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. For centuries, they've been used as a classic natural remedy for toothaches and for soothing sore throats. But the real magic appears when you use them consistently for a whole week. So here's your day-by-day breakdown of what may happen in just 7 days of eating 2 cloves daily. Welcome, friends, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. On the first and second day, you may start noticing better digestion, your stomach may feel lighter, you may feel less bloated, and you may feel more comfortable after meals. By the third and fourth day, the antibacterial effects usually become noticeable. Your breath may smell fresher, and you might notice less gum irritation and overall healthier feeling gums. By the 5th day, a lot of people feel a boost in circulation. You may feel pleasant warmth in your hands and feet as blood flow improves. By the 6th day, your immune system may get a noticeable lift. If you had mild cold symptoms, irritation, or congestion, you might feel your breathing becoming clearer and easier. And by the 7th day, many people report a boost in overall energy. Some also feel fewer sugar cravings, and some even notice clearer, healthier-looking skin. Now here are 15 natural clove recipes you can use to target specific health concerns. Number 1. For digestion and bloating, you can make a simple clove tea. Boil 3 to 4 cloves in a cup of water for about 5 minutes. Drink it warm after meals to relieve gas, cramps, and indigestion. Number 2. For diabetes and blood sugar support, try clove-infused water. Soak 2 cloves overnight in a glass of water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to help stabilize blood sugar and reduce insulin spikes. Number 3. For colds and coughs, a clove and honey remedy works really well. Crush 2 cloves and mix them with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. For more comes with time pains, take this before bed to clear your throat, ease coughing, and make breathing more comfortable. Number 4. For toothache or gum problems, you can use a clove oil massage. Mix 2 drops of clove oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Gently apply the mixture to the gums or the painful tooth. It helps numb the pain and reduce harmful bacteria. Number 5. For arthritis and joint pain, you can make a warm clove balm. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 5 crushed cloves. Let it infuse, strain the oil, and massage it while warm onto your knees or stiff joints. This helps improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Number 6. For heart health and better blood circulation, drink clove and ginger tea. Boil 2 cloves and a thin slice of ginger in hot water for about 5 minutes. Drink it in the morning to warm the body, improve blood flow, and support heart health. Number 7. For immunity and energy, a clove and cinnamon mixture works well. Grind 2 cloves with a small piece of cinnamon stick. Add this powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or even your morning coffee for a natural immune boost. Number 8. For stress and anxiety, try clove steam inhalation. Add 3 to 4 crushed cloves to a bowl of steaming hot water. Lean over it, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. The eugenol acts as a natural relaxant and helps calm the nervous system. Number 9. For sinus congestion and headaches, make a clove steam inhaler the same way, but add a teaspoon of dried mint or eucalyptus leaves. The strong antiseptic and anti-inflammatory steam helps open blocked sinuses, drain mucus, and relieve sinus pressure. Number 10. For skin fungus or athlete's foot, make an antifungal clove soak. Boil 10 cloves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool fully and soak clean feet in it for 20 minutes daily. The powerful antifungal action of eugenol helps fight stubborn skin infections. Number 11. For nausea or motion sickness, try a clove and lemon drink. Steep 2 crushed cloves and a slice of lemon in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Sip it slowly to calm an upset stomach without causing drowsiness. Number 12. For lower back pain or muscle spasms, you can make a warming clove and mustard oil liniment. Gently heat half a cup of mustard oil, add 10 to 12 crushed cloves, and heat it on low for 5 minutes. Let it cool, strain it, and massage it into painful areas to relax muscles and reduce inflammation. Number 13. For sore throat or laryngitis, gargle with a clove and salt water mixture. Crush 2 cloves and add them to a glass of warm water with half a teaspoon of sea salt. Gargle for about 30 seconds, 3 to 4 times a day. This gives strong antibacterial action and soothes irritated throat tissues. Number 14. For improved memory and focus, make a clove and walnut brain tonic. Blend 2 crushed cloves with a handful of walnuts and a cup of regular or plant-based milk until smooth. Drink this regularly. The cloves improve circulation to the brain, while the walnuts supply omega-3 seconds, creating a powerful cognitive mixture. Number 15. For bad breath or halitosis, use a whole clove as a natural breath freshener. Just place a clove in your mouth and gently suck on it. You can lightly crush it with your teeth to release the oils. Its strong antibacterial action kills odor-causing bacteria and keeps your breath fresh for hours, like a natural mint. Even though cloves offer many benefits, it's very important to use them safely. Do not eat more than 2 to 3 cloves per day because higher amounts can irritate the stomach and cause discomfort. If you take blood-thinning medication, you should avoid eating cloves regularly because they can increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should talk to their doctor before trying this remedy, and always soak or chew cloves slowly. Never swallow them whole and dry because they can be too strong for your stomach lining and may even pose a choking risk. So what's the final result? After eating 2 cloves every day for a week, you may feel lighter, experience better digestion, stronger immunity, and more stable blood sugar. This small, common spice is truly one of nature's most powerful and underrated natural medicines. With a surprising list of benefits, everything from relieving pain to sharpening your mind. But remember that consistency and moderation are key. Try any of these simple recipes based on your personal health needs and feel the difference in your body. If this video gave you helpful natural health ideas, please give it a like, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more ways to unlock nature's natural pharmacy. Thank you for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest things like just a couple of cloves can bring some of the biggest health improvements.